Can. To be able to. My daughter can drive a car. John can speak several different languages. I can do it by myself. We can go to the party. He can eat spicy food. I can hold my breath for a long time. I can jump really high. I can make a snowflake out of paper. She can swim across the lake. I can hit the ball over the fence. They can understand what we're saying. Women can vote now. I can walk up the stairs. I can visit you next year. I can travel all over the world. My son can count to 1,000.
Can. A metal cylindrical container. The soup is in an aluminum can. Recycle the empty cans. We keep a gas can in the garage. We have many different paint cans in the garage. Don't forget to take the garbage can out. Diced tomatoes come in a can. We opened a can of soda. Make sure to drain all of the cans before recycling them. Don't forget to recycle your metal cans. Does anyone have a can opener? I want a can of soda. I threw it in the garbage can.